Alrighty, what's up guys, my name is Fireball, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I got my shoes on, I got everything on, we're about to go to Urban Air Trampoline Park today. Yes, I'm going to Urban Air, I'm going to meet my cousin and my friend, Chatty. So yeah, I'm going with my cousin and my mom. So I'll see you guys when I get in the car. Alrighty guys, so we're in the car right now, and I got Iceman behind me. So going to Urban Air, and my mom's driving. She doesn't want to be on camera. Oh, this is probably copyright, so I'll see you guys when I get to Urban Air. Alrighty guys, so we're back at Urban Air. Shaddy, I'm doing the vlog. So Shaddy, we're at Urban Air. I'm in Memphis, Tennessee.
I'll record on my phone and I'll send it to you.
Okay. Come on, let's go.
You're counting. Okay. And we're hiding.
Stay right there.
Wait, I'm gonna start vlogging. So that's your point of view and this is my point of view. Alright, ready? So go hide wherever you want.
Come on, let's go.
No, you count to 40. Count to 40. Shady, I thought you were gonna be it.
Go over there. Go.
We're hiding, me and Carter. We're hiding from DeAndre.
Ow. Big time L. Choke.
It's a secret room right there. Just take a vlog. It's 142. Wow.
I'm hiding, guys.
Ooh, this is boring. Come on, Carter. Say what's up, Carter. Carter, say what's up. Carter. Let's see if we can see DeAndre. DeAndre! Oh, is he wearing a blue shirt? What shirt color is he? What color shirt is he wearing?
I'm gonna hide right here. Hide right here.
Let's go.
Alright. Stay right here. Wait. I gotta make a change. I gotta move.
Is he wearing a blue shirt?
I think so. I don't know. I forgot.
Oh no! He found me. He's coming. Wait, which way is he coming from? Your way? He was coming down the slide. Where is he? I haven't tagged base yet. I gotta tag base. He has to tag us. Oh, wait, we're playing tag. No, he still has to tag us. Oh, shoot!
Ow.
Oh, shoot! you get tagged?
Yes.
Ah!
I just took a big time L. I thought that this was open, and I said, oh. Big time L.
Let's pause. Let's pause. All right.
Chad, he got me. Ow. Ow. That was a big time L. Ow.
Did you get tagged?
Yes. Big time L. Ow.
Let's pause.
Okay, guys, I'm counting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 18, 19, 20, 21, 27, 28, 39, 40. Let's go. Let's go 40. Gotta go find them. Where are they? Took an L. Alright. Where are they? Ow. Big time L. Taking L's. I gotta go low key. Alright, guys. Whoever takes the longest to get found takes the win. And I am taking an L right now. They gotta be up top. Let's go! I got them! Let's go! I gotta tag them all.
Time out.
No, timeouts. Gotcha. I gotta get shady.
Know me. Right, Shady.
Guys, we're taking the big time L. I still haven't got him yet. Okay, guys, I finally got him. He took the L. Actually, I did. But whose turn? Chad, it's your turn to count now.
Shaggy have a count? No, he has a count. All right, fine. Okay. I got best height spot ever. All right.
Did you record yourself?
All right. Whoever. All right, I sent it to you.
Okay.
Whoever's the last one down is it. Go down there. I know, go down there. Go.
Oh, my screen is popping out. Okay. Alright. Wait, no, not yet. You gotta count to 40. 40, okay?
I slid my phone.
Wait, Shady, you're counting. Ready? Set. Shady, go the other. Ow. I'm gonna take the L. No, I'm not. Oh.
Dude, that was easy.
Dude, you didn't even count to 40.
I counted to 30.
I told you to count to 40. Yeah, so I'm at Urban Air still. I got DeAndre, my cousin, my mom, and Shady. Shady, I have to end the vlog. Say bye. Bye.
Listen, guys, forget what I said before. You
What's up, guys? My name is Fireboy, and I'm back. back. I'm back from Urban Air. I'm back from Urban Air, and I'm back. We did hide and seek a while ago, so he's doing his intro over there.
I'm back at it again with another Nerf gun battle. So today we're gonna be doing.
Okay, so guys, he's doing this intro over there. We got 2 cameras. We're gonna be doing a Nerf gun battle. I'll explain it when we get over there.
So we're are going to. Here's my gun and.
Okay, Deanna, come on.
Alright, guys.
Alrighty, guys, so my other camera decided to die on me. This is actually the next day. My camera decided to die on me. But yeah, I couldn't actually record DeAndre's side. Just the camera died, and yeah, I just couldn't do it for some reason. So I will try to edit the best I can. So yeah, enjoy the rest.
Sorry, I can't complete my intro right now, so goodbye, guys. And, oh shoot! They shot it. Shot it. Disqualified.
Let's go.
I'll be on this side.
Loaded. Is it Omega?
Yeah, it's Omega.
Okay. Okay, so guys, we're gonna do my game first. We're gonna stand across the room. So he's gonna go on the other side, and I'm gonna stand right here. His camera's gonna be right there. Mine's gonna be right here. Hope you guys can see me. If you can't, too bad. I'm just playing. But yeah. Okay. Turn around. This way. Ready? Set. Fire! Ow! Ow!
He hit me! Guys, no way he hit me! Yes! I aimed right at you.
No way!
Let's
This
go!
dude literally hit me. Okay, so guys, we're gonna do 2 out of 3. I can't believe he hit me. So yeah,
Let's go!
Okay, so
Don't mess with me!
and
Let's go!
so if you win this, then you win the entire thing. Okay. All right. So I took it right there, but yeah.
Yeah, guys. I beat him the first round. That's it, right? Round.
All right. You ready?
Yep.
Ready? Set. Fire! Gotcha. Gotcha.
No, you got me.
I got you first. Okay. Okay, DeAndre. Whoever wins this wins the whole game.
Okay. And it's not gonna be you.
Better hope that. Oh crap! I gun.
What is going on here? I'm back.
Let's go, guys. He beat me.
All right. That's took it out right there. Yeah.
Best 1 out of 3. Best 2 out of 3.
Okay, ready? Set. Fire!
Nope.
Nobody got hit.
Nope. Nobody got hit.
hit.
Nope. Nobody got hit. I didn't get hit at all. You shoot. You almost got me.
Nobody got hit. Okay.
You almost got me, but I dodged it.
Ready? Look at this dude. No, 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 no. Okay, guys. Sorry. LOL. Peace. Fire!
No, we both said something.
No, you got me first.
Yes.
You won. Dang.
Guys, I won the first round. Woo! Guys, I
You
won.
won the game. Okay. And we're gonna continue this video. We'll get back. So, yeah.
So they won.
I guess I'm back. And I'm sorry I didn't get to finish the video, but I actually didn't have a lot more to do. But I hope you guys liked all of the video. Went to Urban Air. We did hide and seek there. We did hide and seek at home, which DeAndre didn't really want to play, and we did a Nerf gun battle. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to click that like button. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe right now. And guys, I'll be leaving the link in the description for the Nerf guns we use. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.